Right now, question number 3 says a belt and a wallet cost $42. 7 belts and 4 wallets cost $213. Find the cost of each item. So at first, we can say let the cost of a belt, cost of a belt is X dollar, and cost of a wallet is Y dollar. Okay. So, and now, according to the question, we can write a belt and wallet. So, one belt and one wallet. So, 1x plus 1y. So, here x plus y equal to 42. And from the second part, 7 belts and 4 wallets. So, 1 belt x dollar, 7 belt 7x plus 1 wallet y dollar. So, 4 wallet 4y dollar will be $213. Okay, so this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So we can use substitution method or elimination method to solve this one. I think elimination method is best to solve this one because this is a little bit easier than substitution method. So now if we multiply the equation number 1 by 4 and then subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1, then we will get the value of x. Here we will multiply equation number 1 by 4 and then equation number 2 will remain same. So we are multiplying equation number 1 by 4. Then we will get 4x plus 4y equal to 4 2 ja 8, 4 4 ja 16. And equation number 2 will be 7x plus 4y equal to 213. Now we need to subtract. So if we subtract in this way, then what will we get? 4x minus 7x will be minus 3x. 4y minus 4y will be 0. And 168 minus 213, that means there will be 13 minus 5, 8. So 7, so it will be 45. So it will be negative 45. Now, what will be the value of x? X will be minus 45 by minus 3. After cancelling 45 by 3, we will get 15. Now, substitute the value of x in 1. So from 1, after substituting the value of x, we will get x plus y equal to 42. So here the value of x is 15. 15 plus y equal to 42. Then the value of y will be 42 minus 15. So here 12 minus 5 will be 7. We have 1. So 4 minus 2 will be 2. 27. Okay. So here we will get two answers. Find the cost of each item. So we can say cost of a belt is X dollar. That means cost of a belt will be $15 and cost of a wallet will be $27. And that is the solution of question number 3. Now question number 4. Question number 4 says 8 kg of potatoes and 5 kg of carrots cost $28, whereas 2 kg of potatoes and 3 kg of carrots cost $11.20. Find the cost of 1 kg of each item. So to solve this one, we can write like the previous way. Let cost of 1 kg of potatoes is X dollar, and cost of 1 kg of carrots will be Y dollar. Okay. Now, according to the question, we can say 8 kg of potatoes and 5 kg of carrots. That means if 1 kg of potatoes cost X dollar, 8 kg of potatoes cost will be 8x dollar. Okay. And 5 kg of carrots, 1 kg of carrots cost Y dollar. So 5 kg of carrots cost 5Y dollar. And their addition will be $28. Okay. And the second statement says, whereas 2 kg of potatoes, that means 2x, and 3 kg of carrots, that means 3y, will be $11.20. So $11.20. $20. So right now we need to solve these two equations, then we'll get our final answer. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So if we multiply equation number 2 by 4, then this part will be 8x. So then we can subtract and we can eliminate x easily. So here we will write in this way 1 minus equation number 2 multiplied by 4. That means we will multiply equation number 2 by 4 and then we will subtract from 1. Then what will you get? 8x plus 5y equal to 28. And after multiplying equation number 2 by 4, we will get 4 2 ja 8x plus 4 3 ja 12y equal to 11.20 multiplied by 4 will be 44.80. Now we need to subtract. If we subtract, then what will we get? We can write in this way. 8 minus 8 is 0. 5 minus 12 will be minus 7y equal to 28 minus 44.80. So here we can subtract in this way. So 8, that will be, we need 6 to make 14. We have 1, so 4 minus 3 will be 1. So 16.80. Okay, so minus 16.80. Now we need to find out the value of y. So minus 16.80 by minus 7 will be 7 2 ja 14. We have 2 left, 28. So 7 4 ja 28. So we will get $2.40. That is the cost of 1 kg of carrots. Okay. Now we need to find out what is the cost of 1 kg of potatoes. So here we can use this idea, equation number 1 or equation number 2. So if we use equation number 2, that means from equation number 2, you can also use equation number 1, no problem. So here we will get 2x plus 3y. 3y, that means 3 multiplied by 2.40 equal to 11.20. Now we need to solve it. Here 2x equal to 11.20 minus here 2.4 multiplied by 3. 3 0 0, 3 4 ja 12. We have 1. 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7. Okay. Now 2x will be here that will be 0. So 11 minus 7, that is 4. So the value of x will be 4 by 2. That means $2. So here we can write the cost of 1 kg of each item. That means we can say cost of 1 kg of potato will be $2 and cost of 1 kg of carrots will be $2.40. And that is the solution of question number 4.